Greetings, peace, and blessings, everyone. It's Mary Saquette coming to you with another Charmy Charm message. Ooh, baby, this one is interesting. So, somebody's having a baby. I don't know who it is, but they nailed it, or they got nailed. We have little people, we have whole people, we have couples, or a parent and a child. Okay, this is loved ones. Somebody got nailed. Okay, somebody's, or it could be somebody's nails, like entrapment. Somebody's claws are in you. Somebody's, actual fingernails are in you, and they have got you trapped, and now you're about to have a baby. So the other aspect of it is we have the earth element. This is also prosperity. This doesn't mean that it's bad. This could be that now it's time to tie the knot. The nails also represent unity. Maybe now you've been dating somebody for some time and you've found out that you're pregnant, but you're afraid to tell them. This obviously is something that you do need to discuss, okay? Bring wholeness to the two parties at hand. Maybe this is a blended family that's coming together. Okay, because again, this is at the root, at the base of everything. And it represents unity and strength. It also represents sexual experiences. Okay, you're getting nailed. Okay, so this is a lot of fertility energy in this. This also represents new beginnings. Maybe, like I said, this partnership, and even though it's premature, or you've been together for a while, now it's time to change the cycle of what you were as a unit, and now maybe you're bringing in or coming together to be in a loving relationship, to create a new life. Okay, or maybe the new life is the new beginning for the both of you. So if you're not getting pregnant, maybe this is a step forward into unifying the two parties, unifying you and the other person. That means change. That means adventure. That means that things are coming together to a close, because I have two fives here. Okay, the five on this pentagram, pentacle, and then we have the five starfish. Maybe this is something that's worth holding on to. This relationship, this new union is worth holding on to. Okay, think of starfishes. They hold on to, the tank or the side of anything in the ocean. Okay, maybe this is a sign that, yes, it's time to take that new level, build the relationship, tighten the bond with each other. Okay, so whatever it is for you, whether you are beginning a new relationship or beginning a new partnership and adding one. Okay, this little bump here, I always think of as a third party. So, whatever the case may be, I wish you well on your new beginnings. If this message resonates for you, give it a like, give it a little heart, a little love. And if it means that much to you, then share it so someone else can receive this beautiful message. I wish you well. Peace and blessings.